back to Trellis P News Bulletin. February 2025, a month of learning, creativity and exploration at Trellis School. Myself Joshna from Ballari Road branch.
Myself Bhuvan from Jesus Nagar branch. Today we are delighted to bring you the February edition of the Trellis Pier, highlighting the incredible moments, achievements and learning experience of our students.
This month has been filled with curiosity, creativity and celebration as our young minds explore new horizons in academics, culture and hands-on learning.
The highlights of the month, the culmination day, a joyful celebrations of theme on 1st February 2025. The Trellis School pre-primary students brought the stories, the health and as well as the universe to life on the culmination day. Next, the healthy meal done by the nursery students brought the fitness, nutrition and wellness to the interactive games and fun activities in a lively new cartoon-inspired setup.
Fantasy World from Junior KG, dressed as their favorite fairy tale and fantasy character, students embarked on a magical adventure filled with storytelling, performances and imagination. Pink Day, a splash of colors and fun on 7th and 12th February 2025. Pre-primary students turned the school into a vibrant pink paradise. Dressed in their cheerful shades of pink, they engaged in creative art activities, games and learning sessions, making the day both fun and educational.
Marketing Research, a real-world learning on 13th February 2025. The students from grade 6th to 9th from the both branches of the Trellis School conducted a marketing research project by visiting the various medical stores in Anandapur. They explored about the different brands of paracetamol 1000 mg and analyzing the market trends and learning about the real-world business dynamics. The Science Carnival, igniting curiosity and innovation on 20th February 2025. The February ended on a high note with the Science Carnival, where the students turned the ideas into reality through the hands-on experiments, working models and creative projects. The pre-primary students participated as a part of the culmination day with the theme Learning Hands-On. They showcased exciting science projects engaging in interactive experiments. The higher and primary students explored working models, chemistry experiments and innovative scientific solutions, making the science come alive in fun and educational way.
Vasant Panchami, a spiritual start and blessing for success on 3rd February 2025. The school resonated with devotion and knowledge as students and staff gathered for a traditional Vasant Panchami Puja with prayers full of devotion and prosperity. The ceremony concluded with prasad distribution, fostering a great sense of spiritual connection. Additionally, grade 10 students received blessings for success in their upcoming board exams, marking a significant move of encouragement and support for their academic journey.
The FA4 examinations, a step towards excellence, 17th to 20th February 2025. So our students has been successfully completed the FA4 exams and the students are eagerly waiting for the results and they'll be announced soon.
Broadcast in All India Radio. On February 27, 2025, our talented students had the prestigious opportunity to go and participate in All India Radio news broadcast. This experience allowed them to showcase their communication skills and gain first-hand exposure. Their involvement in the national platform is a proud moment for Trellis School, and it reflects our commitment to fostering holistic education that goes beyond the classroom. Ending note, as February concludes, we celebrate the curiosity, creativity and achievements of our students. This month showcased our commitment to holistic education.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to our students, teachers and parents for the unwavering support. Your enthusiasm and dedication make the Trellis a vibrant hub of learning and innovation.
The Trellis School, where learning comes to life. Stay tuned.
Signing off, your Trellisians.